Hey Jake and Corey, this is Viola with Gwinnett SEO, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I could help your business with, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'm giving you and put them into action. The only thing I ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. Now, the 3 things that we're going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. So first up is content. And that's pretty much anything that you can see on this site here. It does include the words, but it also includes the pictures and what those pictures are saved as. Google wants to see at least 1,500 words on the home page of your website. And within those 1,500 words, this pretty much gives you the opportunity to integrate in keywords that people are searching for when they're searching for your services. So honestly, overall, I love how bright your website is. I love that you guys do have your number right up above. There's an immediate call to action here. All right, I love the team. Nice photos too. But let's see something here. When we click on these photos, and let's try to save it. See, Google may not notice how beautiful this home is and how beautiful the picture is, but Google does read the photo. Let's see, and you want to try to save this as one of the keywords that you guys are trying to be ranked for on Google, and I'll dive deeper into that in just a second. But yeah, you definitely want to appease Google by having those 1,500 keywords on there. I went ahead and pulled up one of your competitors. Let's take a look at their site. This is Mr. Roofer, Atlanta. And as you can see, they also have a nice bright site, pretty clear. They don't have 1,500 words on their site either, so definitely beatable. You guys have a good chance of getting them out when it comes to that. So yeah, once you get your site up to 1,500 words on this home page, you guys will definitely be the authoritator in Google's eyes, okay? Because we want to appease them when it comes to that. The next thing I want to talk to you about are called citations. So when somebody types in roof repair Atlanta, Georgia, they usually bypass these ads, whether it be because of ad blockers or just bad experiences, and they jump straight down to here where the citations are located. Basically, this has a lot to do, or everything to do, with directories, and that's basically anywhere on the web where your business name, your business phone number, and address are located and listed, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, White Pages, LinkedIn, etc. Just basically anywhere that would allow you to enter in those keywords, to enter in those details. So you want to check out your competitors. The way to win in this area is find out exactly what citations your competitors are in, put yourself in those same 10 citations, and then add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. And the reason why you want to do that is because after you become number one in this area, I'm pretty sure whoever had the number one spot is going to want to do something to try to beat you, but you want to be so far ahead where they don't stand a chance. So that's why you want to stack it at least 20, 30, 40 more on top of whatever they have and get in those same exact directories. Now let's jump down to this section here. This is the organic section. This has everything to do with backlinks, and a backlink, very simple, the way it works is there's a website out there that's linking from their site back to your site, and it's pushing power to your sites, and it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal, right? So let's say, for example, you guys do some work for a pizza shop and they decide they want to they are going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But you see, their link is going to be all about pizza, right? So, it's not going to be very helpful for you guys because you guys are going to want to get links from other roofing companies that send something back to your site or something relevant as a roofing company. And it sends a signal to Google that this is the type of industry that you guys are in. Okay, doing this, that's going to make your website a lot more powerful as well as more unique, and it'll help you get ranked closer or maybe on the first page of Google. So let's go ahead and take a look into one of these tools that I use. It's called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put Jaco contracting in here. And what it says is that you guys currently have 58 websites linking back to you 406 times using 455 different keywords and currently getting an organic traffic of about 72 per month. and $344 per month as well. Now, I went ahead and put that same competitor, Roofer or Roof. Mr. Roofer Atlanta, and let's go ahead and take a look at their overview. What it's saying here is that they have 427 different websites linking back to them 60,000 times, using 514 keywords, and they're getting close to $7,000 per month. So let's take a look at these organic keywords and see what's going on here. So if you take a look, you see how it says roof repair alpharetta. 350 people search for that per month. They're sitting in the number 30. No, they're sitting in the number 4 spot, and they get 32 clients out of that 350 per month. You see how that works? And they actually moved up 1 spot. And please understand that being number 4 is probably number 1, because before that, as you saw on here, we have Yelp, and you see Yelp is in the number 1 spot, and let's see. Oh, Mr. Roofer right here, number 3. I wonder what keyword got them up there. Okay, and let's keep going. Let's look at one more. This is a good one. Roofing contractors, alpharetta. 250 people search for that. And you want to make sure you get keywords that are specific towards the location that you're targeting. 250 people search for that per month. They get 27 out of that 250, and they're sitting in the number 4 spot. So you remember when I spoke about your site, how I said you want to save some of these pictures as those keywords? That's where you want to put on the back end, where you save these photos, because Google loves to crawl websites to see exactly what information, what's the content behind it. So that's basically all I have for you guys. Jake and Corey, thank you so much. I do hope this video was helpful. Again, in order to truly beat out your competition, you guys just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the places that they are. But then again, as I spoke about earlier, make sure you're adding on top of that. This way you're far surpassing them, which is what helps you get ranked on Google. Again, my name is Viola with Gwinnett SEO, and if you want to know how we could help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Talk to you soon.